So the head of Instagram just posted about Instagram's affiliate feature. So let's talk about it. So Maseri, the head of Instagram owned by Meta, this is the guy who talks about all the new features coming to the platform. He essentially just spoke about how you can now use affiliate links to tag products in your reels and earn a commission when people shop your content, and that this is rolling out over the coming weeks. So let me talk to you guys about everything that you need to know. So if you're wondering how on earth do you set this up, he actually dropped a short video that you can see right here. In fact, let me make this a little bit bigger for you guys. Probably be a little bit bigger on screen right now. And so how this works is that when you go to record a normal reel, on the share screen, where you write your caption, there is going to be a button that says add products right there. You guys can see. And then that is where you can paste an affiliate URL. So whichever one that you have directly, as you guys can see, pasting one in right there. Or you can tap search a brand to type the brand's Instagram handle. And then that's where you're going to be able to browse their catalog to be able to pick a specific product. So when you select the product, it must be a single item currently listed as a verified Meta Commerce catalog with an active price, and catalog-wide links and bundles are not supported. And you can repeat this for additional products up to 30 different products per reel. And so if you're wondering what that entire process looks like, this is exactly the process. So I saw Instagram's page, post this out. So I thought I might as well make a guide on this because I didn't see any video guides documenting exactly how you can do this. And so you can see right here clearly that this is of course going to be a big feature. So you can see that right here, you've got the add products section. Then when you go to add products, you can see that it's got some suggested ones. So these are going to be the brands that, were just going to be there based on the kind of video you created. So I'm guessing it has metadata about that video. You can see this video was like a makeup video, and then it shows us the suggested ones here, like all of these, strange ones. And then, you can, search for the specific products. And then of course, or you can, paste a link in. You can see here, they've pasted an entire link in. And then of course, they've selected that product on the end screen right there. So that is where they selected that one and that one. So of course, if someone's using a product in the video, you're going to be able to get the commission there. And it's just a much faster way for individuals to buy products. Now, I actually bought several products from Instagram, and I do agree that the checkout process is annoying because the moment you click purchase, you're off to another web page. Sometimes the web pages are not optimized properly, but for the most part, Instagram's recommendations are really sound. So I often find myself interacting with products that I actually want to buy. So if you're wondering how will users actually see this, well, here you go. So let's say users watching the video, you can see right there in the bottom corner, there's a little icon and they'll be able to click that shopping icon. So if you're making videos, it's best to have a little arrow above here to show people click that link. So like put an arrow there. And then when you pop up, you can see Instagram has natively embedded into it. So, if you're a creator thinking about how can I make money, just make sure that you have a little arrow there that's going to show people exactly where they need to click, because this is going to be a new feature that most people won't even realize how to, use it, how to implement it, and how to even get buyers to buy their product. Because of course, like I said, new feature, most people may miss that small tip, but I think it's worth it. So if you're wondering, how is this out? Where is it live right now? How do I access this? I'm not currently seeing this right now. This is globally out, but it isn't globally out everywhere. So there are only a few countries. So you've got the United States, then you've got Brazil, then of course you've got India, and then of course you do have Indonesia, and then of course you do have Thailand. So you currently do have it live in 5 markets at the moment. So it's just 5 at the moment, but it will be rolling out to, many other countries. So it will roll out to much more soon. So when that rollout does happen, this is when things are going to take off. Right now, it's just being trialed in these countries so that they can figure out, how best to optimize everything. Instagram, when they have these platforms, they first roll it out usually to like United States first, and the small areas, then globally, and a few areas, then eventually they will roll it out to everyone. So for now, if you don't see it in your current application, don't worry, especially if you're in Europe, don't worry, it will be rolled out soon. They just need to figure out all of the bugs and kinks before they even start to figure out where they're going to go from there. Now, there are going to be some requirements that you do need in order to actually activate this. So if you're wondering which requirements you need to be, of course, over the age of 18, and you need to have at least 1,000 followers. So if you don't have 1,000 followers now, I would say get a few accounts up to 1,000 followers just so that you can have those accounts ready for selling said products. And so I think this is going to be pretty crazy because people are going to be able to use AI to, run accounts and run sales. And I think it's going to be pretty crazy. So, once you do that, that is going to be essentially the basis of this. And it's going to be, I think, fairly easy for many different creators to actually earn an income from promoting the products. And I think we're going to enter a very new, strange place, to be honest. Well, it's going to be super interesting. And that's basically, how you get your account activated. Now, another question is people are wondering, how on earth do I get my payout? So this is where it is a little bit tricky. But if you're wondering how creators get paid, of course, this could change. So if it changes, I'll update the video and leave a comment below if you have any questions as well. But if it does change, like I said, I'll update the video. So essentially part one is the Meta Commerce Manager. This is where brands configure rates through Meta's native commerce manager. And then the number two way is a third-party affiliate platform. So if brands already run affiliate programs through platforms like Impact, Rakuten, or Shopify collabs, those existing programs actually plug right in. So a brand running an affiliate program with Impact with 500 creators, they don't really need to rebuild anything. Those creators can start tagging those products already in Instagram Reels and earn through the same infrastructure. So all the viewer would need to do is just tap the tagged product in a reel, and then they get redirected to the brand's website, app, or Amazon. And then that affiliate tracking link actually follows them through the redirect. And then when that purchase is confirmed, the commission is attributed to the creator and it's paid out through whichever platform the brand uses. So Impact, Rakuten, and Shopify collabs, if you don't know what these platforms are, those are essentially platforms where you have full heavy affiliate marketing distributions. I use them all the time. They're very, very effective. You essentially use them to find deals, and essentially you essentially use those platforms to find different things that would be different from standard, things that you'd find on Meta. So let me show you guys exactly what it is. If you haven't used the platforms before, this is essentially what Impact is. It's a really good platform. In fact, I might sign in here, but yeah, just see if I can sign in here to my Impact. There we go. So yeah, here you can see I actually haven't used this before. I used to use it quite a lot to do affiliate stuff, but this is basically where, if you have affiliate links here and it already works with Impact, basically you'll be able to, sign in. So I do wonder if it's going to be just physical products or digital products. That is something I'm wondering. I'm pretty sure they're going to have links to the digital as well. So it will be interesting to see for them to do that. I do need to review my integrations, but yeah, it's going to be super interesting to see, using these platforms more in order to actually get into the, full affiliate ecosystem. And then if you're wondering what is actually coming soon, so essentially they're going to have, affiliate partners. So they're going to have Amazon and Shopee confirmed as, upcoming partners accessible. And essentially they're going to have Temu and eBay, coming. So it's going to be super interesting, okay, in the coming months. Like Meta are really rolling out all areas in terms of global shopping. So one question that, I kept getting was people are wondering, is this going to be different from TikTok Shop versus Instagram affiliate reels? So realistically, you can screenshot this if you're confused. Essentially, TikTok Shop, the viewer is watching, they tap, they add to cart, they check out, all of that inside TikTok. But with Instagram, the viewer watches, they tap, the browser opens. Sometimes you might be landing on an unfamiliar checkout. And, when you think about it, TikTok Shop conversion is probably going to be better. But I think, Meta, over time, they're probably going to try and improve that. But the difference here is that Meta is going to have more products to offer over time, whereas TikTok Shop only really has the items that are available on TikTok. And according to many sources, Meta won't take a commission. I don't know how long that's going to last for, but they do say that they won't take a commission. So it will be interesting to see if they are going to, keep that up. TikTok, of course, they do take a commission percentage of each sale. So it's going to be really interesting to see. I mean, you can have a range of different products. So I do hope it's going to be digital. I do hope they're going to be, allowing that to occur. But yeah, it's going to be very interesting to see how things change. As always, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to join the community where we discuss online business and access to all resources. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay.